Welcome back, Harbro, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, and to the new people who watch this. If there's anybody new watching this, this is the channel where we go over Harbor Freight deals, and I try to get them to you as quick as possible and give you some insight, track some prices, make sure and verify that everything is actually a deal. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing today. Oh, and hyping. And today we have deal of the day 8. And we have the weekend deal. So we'll start off first with the weekend deal. Free bucket. This is the first one. No coupon required. Free bucket starting the 19th to the 21st. 3 days only, of course. No coupon required with $29.99 purchase. Tool and lid. That's an important one. Lid sold separately. Limit one free bucket per customer per day. But of course, hopefully if you have multiple stores near you, you can stock up on some buckets. But this is for everybody. And then of course, ITC free bucket with any purchase. 19th, 20th, and 21st. And we do have our deal of the day that lines up with December 19th. But of course, we always recommend getting the 69-cent pencil is great. Actually, we'll do a quick dive into what you should get. There is a new dollar days coming up, so as soon as we do a video, that'll be a good candidate to get a free deal. Dollar days are always great. And then, of course, your instant savings. We will rank from low to high. 79-cent Harbor Freight bag. Great one to get your free bucket. 99-cent clamp, some mask, hardy gloves, CR2032 batteries, $3 wire stripper. Fall in love with a stripper. Some great choices, instant savings, but we'll rehash when we get to dollar days, or $5 magnetic hooks. This Christmas sale still going through the 26th. So great item to pick up while you're looking for to pick up your free bucket. Anyways, weekend deal, free bucket with any purchase for ITC, $30 for everybody else. But deal of the day 8. Deal of the day 8, we have Predator. It's a Predator day. More Predator, actually. 12 days of deals, 2 great deals. Predator 5,000 watt dual fuel inverter generator, $700, $400 off. That's pretty nuts. We'll do the math and we'll do the price history, but that's pretty nuts. That's $700 from $1,100. That's a 36% off. Even during the generator days, it was only 25% off. This is an excellent deal. $400 off the 5,000 watt dual fuel inverter generator. And then the Predator 9,500 watt inverter generator. Not as great because it's still only $400 off, so we already know the math isn't going to be there. But we'll do it anyway. $1,600. Some of the pricier items tend to not have deals, but our gauge is a 20% off that we just had. So $1,600 compared to $2,000. It's exactly 20% off. So it matches up at least with the any item 20% off that just passed. But let's verify the deal. And it does show that it went down in price. There was a sale on this for Black Friday down to $780. Decent. Its price of $1,100 has been basically the same outside of sales for the last year. And the last year. So relatively new pricing history, and there has been sales, though the sales have it as low as and as recently as April of this year was down to $790, but the lowest was $780 during Black Friday. So automatically $699, so even extra $80. 37% off. That is, I would say, steal of a deal, because $700 is still pretty pricey. But that is an excellent deal. Good timing for winter. Great to have during the summer, during power outages, during windy weather, or whatever you need. That is excellent. Let's actually look at this. So no more $1,100. Dual fuel capability, runs on gasoline and propane. Ideal for RVs, home backup, and more. What a deal. Even has a little key fob. 2-year warranty on the emissions control system, and then a little disappointing 90 days from date of purchase. But still, $1,100, $400 off. Almost a very nice price, but excellent discount. Now let's look up the 9,500 watt inverter generator. This one also shows, let's see. This one has decreased in price over the last year, which is good. Looks like it was averaging 2,300, went down in price back in October to 2,000, and was even lower during Black Friday. Got down to 1,850, then went back up to its regular price of 2,000 bucks. Lowest price having been that 1,750 during Black Friday, so that was a great deal. Here we are down to $1,600. So an extra $150 lower than it has been. Not as crazy as a discount price percentage wise, but 20% off is still pretty solid. You could have done it during the last 20% off any item, or if you're getting the unicorn 25% off. But 20% off is really good. Not going to say it's great, but at least for the amount of times that this generator has been on sale, that's a great deal. Ideal for home backup in emergencies, mobile businesses like food trucks. Powerful PGMA compliant inverter generator, has electric start and CO secure. Super quiet. I mean, if you want the next level of being able to power and back up your home, this is it. 2 years, same thing on the emissions control system, and 90-day warranty from purchase. What do the Harbros think? What do the Harbros think? 2 Predator generator deals, not all generators, but we have the 5,000 watt dual fuel and the 9,500 watt inverter generator. Steal of a deal for sure for the 5,000 watt, almost 37% off, and then 20% off for the other one. Let me know what the Harbros think. Free bucket weekend. I get pumped for the free bucket weekend. We'll do the dollar days. Let me know what you think. Who picked up their Doyle tools? Which hand tools did you get from Doyle, and which Harbros? The blanket bros, who picked up their moving blankets? Don't forget, tomorrow, Auger, $65 off, and then 30% off all Creekstone Drummond and Predator pumps. Sneaky deals. Doesn't sound exciting on the surface, but I know there's a few people who were excited about it, the pump bros. Anyways, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Please consider liking and or subscribing, and as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.